I'm Andrew.
I'm Kevin.
Welcome to Brojects. I'm trying to make one of those beer dispensing hats. I've got a hard hat, and I'm gonna put some tubing on it, mixing up a little bit of epoxy, and I've got a bunch of these little clothespin clips, so it'll clip to the back of the helmet, almost like that. For the beer holders, I've got some plastic pipe. I just cut it down to size, and now it'll fit in the slot. This is the first time I've made a dispensing hat, for sure. I don't really want anything in front of me for the game. Generally like to be clapping and cheering and whatnot. I've got this little Y valve here, so it'll take your two lines, merge them into one, and then it'll go into your mouth. This is only gonna work if you have 2 beer. The great part about this is you don't actually have to do any sucking once you start the flow, because it's kind of auto-cycling.